Determine the moment of inertia of the cross-section area of the T-beam with respect to the centroidal x-axis. So, una, solve nyo muna yung centroid. Madali naman yan, BH cube over 12. Well, try natin parehas. So, yung una is solving for the centroid. So, di ba ang formula ng centroid natin is equal to the summation of AY over A total. Summation ng AY, yung una nating area, this one. So, ang A1 natin is 150 by 30. Ang centroid niya from the reference, ito yung reference natin. So, that is 15 plus 30 by 150. Ano yung centroid niya from the reference line? So, this is 75 plus 30. 105. O, divided by the area total. So, 30 by 150. O, times 2 na lang natin. So, ang Y bar nyo ay hindi ka na tinabulate. No, madalawa lang figure lang naman. Magkano pa? 60? Sakto. Then for the IXO or the I bar X na lang is equal to the summation ng IX equals to plus AD squared. So, una, yung inertia muna natin ito. So, BH cube over 12. So, ang B natin is 150. Ang H natin is 30. Cube over 12. Plus, yung area niya, that is 150 by 30. And then, yung distance niya from the centroid is 60 minus 15. Squared plus ito naman, this is B, that is 30 by 150 cube over 12 plus AD squared 150 by 30. Ang centroid niya ay 60 minus 105 squared. So magkano si IX bar? 20? Sakto. Try naman natin yung ito. Nasa choices naman. Try naman natin yung integral, no? So, ang formula natin ng IX is equal to the integral of y squared dA. Pero, syempre, centroid muna. So, to solve for the centroid, that is equal to y bar. Actually, kahit hindi pala, hindi pa natin nakakuha yung centroid. Kailangan natin yung centroid. So, that is the integral of y dA divided by integral of dA. So, ito kasi, multiply natin doon. This is the area. Tapos, ito naman yung y dA. So, ang strip natin gagamitin, ito muna. Ayan. Tapos, no. So, for first, the integral of, ang limits natin from 0 to 30. No, ito lang naman yon. That is 0 to 30. And then, ang y natin is simply y. Ang differential area natin is 150 dy. Plus the integral of 30 to 180. That is y multiplied by 30 dy. Then for the area, that is equal to 0 to 30 times 150 dy plus the integral of 30 to... Okay, so magkano yung y bar? 60 din. Try nyo nga, calculate nyo. Okay, na iba, iwan ko na lang. Alpha x times 150 from 0 to 30 plus integral of alpha x from 30 from 30 to 180. Then integral of $60 din. So dito, this is 60. So this is negative 60. So kung ito yung magiging 0 natin, so negative 60. Tapos ito, this is negative 30. Tapos ito ay 150. This is 60 plus 150. This is positive 90. Then to solve for ix, that is the integral of y squared dA. So that is unahin natin to. So the ix, ang limits natin dyan is from negative 60 to negative 30. So y squared times differential area 150 dy plus the integral of negative 30 to 90 y squared by 150, joke lang. That is 30 dy. So magkano yung ix? Hindi. Ika lang. Tama ba yung ginawa ko? Negatives. Ay, wait lang. 180 minus 60. 180 minus 60. 120 ba? Mali ako dito sa 120 pala to. So, this is from 0 to ayan, 27.